Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power Automate desktop series. In today's episode, we're going to dive into creating a simple subflow that extracts weather details from a website and displays them using Power Automate desktop. Specifically, we'll be fetching the weather in Tokyo from Google. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch new Chrome. First, we'll launch a new Chrome browser instance. This is where all our web interactions will take place. Step 2. Populate text field on web page. Next, we populate the search field on the Google page with the text Tokyo weather. This is done using the Populate text field on web page action. Step 3. Press button on web page. Here, we're capturing a specific element on the web page. For this case, we capture the Google search button. Step 4. Get details of element on web page. Now, we'll extract the weather information from the web page. In this example, we're targeting an element labeled 11 on the page, which represents the temperature store as variable name weather. Step 5. Display message. We then display a message box containing the retrieved weather information. The title is set to result, and the message will be weather. Step 6. Close web browser. Finally, we close the Chrome browser instance as our interaction with the web page is complete. Using the subflow. To use this subflow, follow these steps in your Power Automate desktop flow. 1. Display input dialog. Prompt the user to input the city name as variable user input. 2. Passing in the city name in variable user input as input. 3. Display message box. Show a message box with the weather details for the specified city. This simple example can be expanded and customized based on your needs. You could integrate it into a broader automation workflow, like sending daily weather emails or updating a spreadsheet with the latest weather data. And there you have it. A basic subflow to automate weather retrieval using Power Automate desktop. Feel free to experiment with this and adapt it to your specific use cases. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.